Happy New Year everyone, welcome back to my channel World of VFX. Today's video you'll learn how to simulate something in Unreal Engine. It's a very simple technique, so let's get started. Alright, currently we're in Unreal Engine 5.7 and before moving forward you need to enable a few plugins. So first of all, just type ocean and just turn this enable and then type water. You can find all these options, so make sure you need to on this bouncy effect, then just turn all on and after that restart your Unreal Engine. Once you restart your Unreal Engine, first of all you can load any level over here. So I'm just loading my ocean, so just simply type ocean and you can find this called water body ocean. Just simply drag and drop and it will ask three options: water, flat middle and base landscape. So you can simply type complete. Now automatically the ocean is ready to dive. Now I'm not doing any changes in the ocean because that is not the tutorial for this. So I have something, just double click and make sure you need to type combine. Make sure this should take checked on and press import. And now select the static mesh, just drag and drop. It's very easy to handy. Just press F to fit to screen. Now I'm going to simulate this with this water. Now after that, make sure do not do anything with the scale if you don't want that. Select this option. Make sure simulate physics should turn on. Now the linear damping should 0001 and the mass should turn on as well. Now going down, physics material override, simply click and you can find this new option called default bouncy physics material. Just simply check this. Now go to this water body ocean and going down, you can find some option called collision. So simply type collision and here you need to check something. First of all, the collision presets should custom and from collision enable should query and the probe. And going down, you just need to check all like this and make sure this should physics body should click here like this. And now just simply click and press simulate. And see, it's going down and going up and now it's floating with the water. So it's amazing tutorial and I think this will help you a lot to create some more realistic scenes in our Unreal Engine. This is a very short and simple tutorial from my end and Happy New Year to everyone. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. See you in next video. Till then, keep watching, keep rocking. Bye.